Alright guys, I'm making a seafood soup right here with a couple ingredients, guys. Check it out. I got seafood stock right here. I'm gonna throw it in there. Check that out. And then I have, when I peel the shrimp, I'm gonna put that in there as well. Get that flavor out of those shells. We're gonna let this boil for a while. Let that concentrate. We're gonna let that concentrate right now. I got my veggies here, guys. And guys, I have celery here. I got carrots, dill, parsley, leeks, onions, turnips, and parsnips in there. That's what gives it that flavor. Alright guys, I got my onions right here. I got white onions in there. Let cook a little bit. Alright guys, check this out. I got saffron right there. This is, give it those, Mediterranean, Spanish from Spain. That feeling right there. I used to have this soup is inspired by a place called Maison Madrid I used to go to with my dad. And it had little hints of saffron there. And let that saffron do its thing. Let it infuse. This will bring any dish to life. Throw my vegetables in there. Let that infuse with the saffron. The turnip, the parsnip, carrots, celery, leeks. Flavor from mine. You can only smell this right here. It's gonna be a real sophisticated broth, guys. See, I got the stock right here with the shells. It's gonna be very sophisticated, guys. We're gonna cook these vegetables a little down. This is what's gonna actually kind of be the base. It's going to give it a lot of flavor with all those vegetables in there. So let them marry for a little bit. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, now I'm going in with parsley, dill. Let that marry. Soup's going to have a lot of flavor. A lot of flavor, guys. Alright guys, now I'm adding better than bouillon. It's like a lobster base flavor. Add a little bit right there. Everything through. It's like a seafood sofrito. That gives it that umami, umami taste right there. Umami. Helps concentrate these flavors too. Smelling real delicious, guys. Let me deglaze this with some white wine. have that little machine. Basically took all the flavor from the shells. Ooh, that's hot. There we go. Now our stock is complete. Look at that stock, guys. So now this has a real seafood flavor right here with the shrimp shells. And I'm gonna start adding it on in here. Adding it little by little. This is real concentrated right here. Look, guys, I'm adding some clam juice too. Give it that more seafood flavor right there. I usually get a fish head, but the supermarket I was at, they didn't have that. All right. Well, guys, it came up to a boil. And I lowered the heat and I left that sit for a little bit. All right, we'll be back. All right, soup's looking good. This adds more flavor right here. I'm chopping some of those herbs. There we go. Let me throw some potatoes in there. You could only smell this. I didn't even add the seafood in because I don't want it overcooked. So, but it's still, I tasted the broth. It's coming together pretty good. I concentrated a little more with the blender, and it just smells delicious, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna add clams now. Soup's almost done. Let that go for a little bit. Add some of the fish right here. Put it at the end. This cooks real fast. And the shrimp's gonna be last. Alright, guys, I got some Argentinian red shrimp here, and some Gulf shrimp in here. So there you go. I don't want to overcook it, so this is the ending. And guys, like, subscribe, share, and make this at home. Guys, our soup is done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you make this at home. I like hot sauce and mine. That broth is ridiculous. The saffron, it gives it so much flavor. Like, you gotta make this. I'm gonna put the exact recipe. Delicious. Try this at home. So good.